Hello everyone. Previously, we had discussed about the JavaScript algorithms such as sorting, searching, etc. Right. So today we'll be discussing about this one cross origin resource sharing. Nothing but the CORS. Right. So what does basically CORS allows? I mean, uh, what does CORS do? Let's try to understand that one, and let's try to set the CORS headers. Right. So first, CORS allows servers to specify which domains can access their resources. Again, I'm telling CORS or the cross-origin resource sharing that allows servers to specify which domains can access their resources, enabling the secure cross-origin request in the browsers. So let's see with a simple example how to set up the CORS headers. In simple terms, I'll just come here. I'll just create the JavaScript file. I'll just name this one index.js, right? So let me quickly give here const http. Let me make use of the require http, right? So next line, let me make use of http. We have imported the http, right? So I'll just make use of the http dot create server. So within this one, let's pass the two parameters comes with request and result. So what I'll do, I'll quickly come here result dot let's set the header. That's what we are doing here, right? I'll just make use of the set header. Within the set header, what I'll do, I'll just give here access control allow origin, right? Hope this is completely clear. So this one, within this one, let me give the star, right? So result dot let me make use of end this time. So within this, I'll just pass the hello world within the strings. So next, we have to listen this one, right? And port 3000. I'll just make use of 3000 here. If I come here, let me log something to see whether this works or not. For this one, let me give console log of something like server running or something. I'll just give server running itself. Server running. So I hope this is clear. So if I let me, this showing problem one, right? Argument expression X. So yeah, here I have made a mistake, right? Sorry. This is fine. Let me come here quickly to the terminal. So let me give here load index.js. So we are getting the server running. So we are getting server running over here. So let's go to this one, localhost 3000, and let's see. So we have to get the output. Yeah, in the browser we have to get the output hello world, right? So let's check the same thing. I'll just open the Chrome. So let me give here localhost 3000. Yeah. So clearly you can see here we are getting the output hello world. So this works absolutely correct. We have set up the CORS headers, right? So in uh, simple terms, I'll quickly explain what I have done here. Basically, the server sets this one. The server is sets the access control allow origin header to star here. We are setting the server basically sets the access control allow origin to star, basically allowing all the origins to access it. So again, I'm telling the server allows access control allow origin header to star, allowing all the origin to access it, right? So here we can clearly see we are getting the output hello world. So I'll just quickly close this one, and also we are getting the server running over here, right? This is just to check whether this works or not, the code is correct or not. So I hope the concept is completely clear how to set up the CORS headers. So for now, this is it. You can also try other examples as well. Try making a cross origin fetch request as well. You'll get to know the concept pretty much better. So try out with other examples, real world examples. As I have said, try making a cross origin fetch request, right? So, and other examples you can clearly see as well. So for now, this is it. The next concept we'll be discussing on. So yeah, the next concept that we will be discussing on is advanced debugging techniques. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.